Curious, the man would review the cameras he had around his house, and this is the sign he was met with. A man holding a knife and in a clown costume, complete with the suit and mask, casually walks around the property, looking inside the house and testing all the doors. Course take place in 2016, during that sort of killer clown craze that went on for a few months. There's no denying that others took advantage of the situation, genuinely attempting some pretty horrific crime is actually trying to break into the house with a knife.